Okay guys, this is gonna be episode 101 of our $1 million trading challenge. And what a crazy day. So we are at a $72,000 equity. We started on $10,000 5.5 months ago, so we're up 7x. Every single trade I share and everything is super transparent, so you can go through my YouTube content through the episodes and have a look at everything. I don't lie, I don't make up P&Ls like a lot of other YouTubers on Twitter uses. So this is the P&L analysis just to show you that everything is legit. Right? So you can see the cumulative P&L. We had 10k in April, and yeah, we went up to 100k, and then we had a drawdown. And today it's, I think, one of the biggest liquidation events I've seen, and it's pretty fucking scary. So the fact that we are only down 6k is actually insane. If you look at the chart, just look at this shit. Absolutely insane. So this is BNB. Look at this candle. It was down 32%. You got shit like Hyperliquid. Down 50%, and then it bounced 94%. There's so much liquidations going on. It's actually insane. Look, and this is all due to Trump and his tariffs on China. Look at the Bitcoin candle, down 15% in a day. And if you go on the 1 minute chart, just look at all like 8% candles on Bitcoin on the 1 minute. So yeah, the liquidation statistics are absolutely insane. Luckily, we made a lot of money on our lighter vault. So if you watch my last two videos, you would know I've opened a lighter vault with my strategy. It's the same strategy that I'm running on MEXC, just on different pairs. And we had our biggest day today, so we're up 36% on today. So yeah, huge day. These are all of our positions, longs and shorts. And yeah, we made a ton of money. And our TVL continues to grow, which is good. I'll leave a link in the description for you guys if you wanna just deposit money on Lighter and farm points for the airdrop, and also get part of the juice. You keep most of the returns. I just trade the money, and you can withdraw at any time. So I'll leave a link in the description. You guys know that I'm quite big on farming DEXs now, so Lighter is my main focus, but I'll leave some of the other ones that I use as well. That will be stuff like Variational, Pacifica, and a few others. And yeah, we're getting a really good bounce. We're seeing a really strong bounce on Hyperliquid. And yeah, I don't really, there's nothing to discuss. We were net long slightly on our portfolio. So that's why, yeah, we took a bigger hit than we could have. But I haven't rebalanced the books. We still have, just checking the stats, we've got about 2.6 leverage on the account that we're using. So it's not crazy high, but we have 76 positions, longs and shorts, so we're somewhat hedged. But yeah, it's just a tough day. So the fact that we're only down 6k is actually incredible, because if you just look at the street, it's fucking disgusting. You got shit like Trump coin falling 80% in a few minutes. So everyone got liquidated. There's been so much liquidations. It's pretty fucking sad, to be honest. It's pretty fucking sad. So yeah, so that's the update. If you guys did get stopped out, don't revenge trade. Just keep. I would say take a break. I don't think we will V-shape recover from here. Yeah, we are up 11%, but we're not just gonna go to all-time highs from here. We're just not. It's Friday. It's the weekend. The reason, because SPX and stocks are closed, people speculate on what's gonna happen on the Monday open through crypto and Bitcoin, and it's fucking Friday, Saturday, Sunday. You're not gonna see any serious momentum coming up. So yes, you might get a really lucky entry, and I didn't get any on these candles. But if you didn't, there's no point chasing here, because the likelihood of us just going up there is just so slim to none. We're way more likely to range or even go lower. Who knows? I don't think we're gonna go lower. The recovery is pretty strong, but we could range. So that's the focus on the lighter vault. Our biggest long was go position value. Our biggest long is gold, so we're long 130k, and that's a really good hedge for us. Otherwise, yeah, our biggest shorts have been Ton and Eden, and they've performed very well. We can open it up and just have a look. Yeah, look at that. I should have, in hindsight, I wasn't at the computer. I should have taken profits when prices were just nuking, but I'm not gonna pull the trigger on anything. Just let stuff settle. It doesn't matter if we give back some of the P&L. It's fine. I don't think we're just gonna V-shape recover. That's basically my thesis. And if I'm wrong, I'm wrong. That doesn't really matter. But yeah, the fact that we're okay, or actually up money, is good. It's good times. Anyway, it's been a tricky ride on lighter. Sorry, not on lighter, on MEXC, because we had an XPL drawdown here. I think this is on XPL for these 2 days. That was my mistake. And now we had this massive liquidation event, which also, well, we can't control. So two drawdowns in a row. One was my mistake. The other is just the market. It's one of those freak events. It's a bit annoying, but we'll continue trading the strategy. It still works. We're up 7x in less than a year. It's pretty fucking insane. So if you guys are interested, I have a Discord where you can follow all my signals. If you want, you can access my indicators as well and trade on lighter. If you want to farm the airdrop or just deposit funds in the vault, you get, I think, 4x multiplier on the points. So you get a big multiplier on the airdrop points. Anyway, I'm gonna end this because it's Friday and I want to chill, but just wanted to send this out. I imagine a lot of you are hurting, and it's okay. I've been there. Just try to, I would say, just take a break. Just switch off the screens, log out, log back in tomorrow. I guarantee you will not be missing out on much. I just guarantee you will not be missing out on much. But you will preserve that mental strength and clarity you will need to time these moves, or to time the next move. Because from here on BTC, it looks like we're just in a massive range. We're close to the middle of the range. We're not going to the top in a V-shaped recovery, and we're just probably gonna range. So that's it. That was the move. Understand that it's unlikely we'll have another big move like this. I'm not taking profits because I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. I've got strong coins I want to long, and I've got weak coins I want to short, and I'm happy with that. But I'm not gonna be timing these moves. If I was, I would have taken profits already at the lows. On the shorts, I mean, I would have taken profits on the shorts, and I would have re-entered here. But since I didn't, I'm just gonna stay patient and just chill. Cool, I think that's it. Hopefully you guys are all okay. Don't do anything stupid. It's just money. You can make more, and I will see you in the next episode. Peace.